If you're a professional seller, you can receive two types of Amazon business fee discounts when you offer business prices or quantity discounts of 3% or more off your standard price to business or B2B customers, referral fee discounts, and FBA fulfillment fee discounts. Referral fee discounts reduce the percentage Amazon charges on each sale. You can receive referral fee discounts on bulk orders of a single product exceeding $1,000 for both fulfillment by Amazon FBA and fulfillment by merchant FBM orders. You pay the standard referral fee rate on the first $1,000 of the order value. For amounts above $1,000, you pay reduced rates that decrease as the order value increases. FBA fulfillment fee discounts lower the per-unit cost Amazon charges to pick, pack, and ship your products when business customers order multiple units. You can receive FBA fulfillment fee discounts on multi-unit orders of 2 or more. Your product must be fulfilled by Amazon and fall within eligible size tiers for your marketplace. If eligible, when a business customer orders 2 or more units, you receive a per-unit fee reduction. The more units ordered, the greater the discount per unit. To qualify for fee discounts, set business prices or quantity discounts of at least 3% by applying discounts across your catalog using the business catalog rule in Automate Pricing. You can also manage business discounts through the B2B API, add products in bulk, or update business prices one by one through Manage Inventory. Use the Business Discounts Insights or BDI tool to optimize your B2B prices using pricing insights and opportunities. Monitor your overall B2B performance in B2B Central and check whether your products fall into B2B relevant categories like office products, electronics, or tools and home improvement. Leverage business reports B2B to dive deeper into sales and traffic data of business customers and refine your B2B strategy further. To see if your referral fee discount or FBA fulfillment fee discount has been applied, access the Payments dashboard in Seller Central and select the Transaction View tab. Select the order link to view transaction details. Your discounts appear as discount on FBA per unit fulfillment fee or discount on referral fee for each qualifying order. For step-by-step instructions on how to set and optimize business pricing and quantity discounts, read the Set Business Prices and Quantity Discounts Guide in Seller University.